Good day everyone. Fikile Mbalula, the ANC Secretary General, just held a press conference. The press conference might still be going on, where he made clear that the African National Congress, with a 40% of the vote, is the majority and that they will govern, and that the DA or whoever else is involved in the GNU doesn't matter to them because they managed to pass things without them. So I would love to see what Helen Zille has to say about what Fikile Mbalula just said on national news. And it's clear that the African National Congress considers himself still the government and that everyone else must jump to whatever they want to do. Now, whether you support the ANC or not is irrelevant here. There is no real GNU based on what Fikile Mbalula says. There's no government of national unity. There's the ANC and whoever helps him to get the vote over the line. That is basically what he said. And he said to the journalist openly, have you seen us back down on anything so far? And he's right. They haven't backed down on anything. They got everything they wanted up until now. And the DA has allowed this to happen. And for those people that supported the DA and thought that the DA has got any power or any might in the situation, you've been wrong, you've been duped. And maybe you feel a bit foolish right now. I know many people have walked away from the DA, said they'll never vote for them again. It brings a very interesting dynamic now. Fikile Mbalula spoke of new elections if certain things don't work out, because they don't want this 40% problem. They want to be able to govern with full force and might. So it's going to be very interesting dynamics, especially when he said that the DA voted with MK and the economic freedom fighters against the budget, when they actually themselves want to be part of the GNU to exclude the EFF and MK. So the ANC is using very interesting tactics. They say that they want capitalist production of capital in the country while still trying to implement the revolution, the economic revolution, and the two don't add up, and he doesn't seem to see that, or he's just blatantly lying or trying to fool people. So you cannot have both. So Fikile Mbalula is living in an absolute cloud pie high up in the sky, and I don't know what stuff he's on, but he doesn't know what he's talking about. It can never work, what he's trying to do. And we need a new governance system. That is the bottom line. And this is what no one wants to talk about. We need to change the constitution, get rid of political parties, and we need to elect our leaders directly. We need to get rid of taxpayers' money being there to fund parties that are in government. This is absolute nonsense. We need to stop all these things. And then only can we start changing the future of South Africa. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and family.